Hello everyone, welcome to TechPorn, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google Gemini inside Gmail and Google Docs. First, open Gmail or Google Docs in your browser. If Gemini is available in your account, you will see Gemini option in the side panel. However, on many accounts, this feature now requires a Google Workspace plan or Google One AI Premium subscription. So if you don't see the Gemini sidebar, your account may not currently support the feature. If Gemini is available, you can use it to write emails, summarize documents, generate notes, and more. For example, you can ask Gemini to write a professional mail or create a document outline automatically. If the feature is unavailable on your account, you can still use Gemini directly from the Gemini website in your browser. And that's it. That's how to use Google Gemini inside Gmail and Google Docs. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.